Hi, I'm Dean Kurtz with Furuno. Today we're going to talk about two new combination displays that incorporate GPS, chart plotting, and fish finding capabilities. We have the 7-inch GP1871F and the larger 9-inch GP1971F. Both of these are wide aspect ratio displays. One of the benefits of wide aspect ratio is when we are in a split screen mode, as you see here, we can have a very nice visual reference of our chart plotter and our fish finder in a very compact display. Both of these displays are also an all-glass touchscreen design, which provides for better waterproofness as well as high resolution and daylight viewable capabilities. Both displays utilize the very popular CMAP 4D cartography database. You can simply download charts from all over the world onto a micro SD card and simply insert them into the unit to have full chart plotter capabilities. Let's take a look at the user interface for these new displays. What you'll notice is that these new displays actually leverage the user interface of our very popular NavNet TZtouch2 products, where we introduced gesture features like edge swiping and single and multi-touch gesture controls. With edge swiping, we have very simple and easy access to any number of display controls. If I swipe from the left, I have our data box. If I swipe up from the bottom, I have access to layer controls. And if I swipe from the right, I have any number of navigational tools immediately at my disposal. So you can see very simple access to those functions. Of course, when I go onto the display, I can utilize the very familiar pinch and zoom gesture that we all know from our mobile devices to simply zoom in and zoom out on the chart. And then I can use single touch controls on the fish finder to simply scroll back and look at my history. If I spot a good area of fish, I can simply click on that and go to that point directly to catch those fish. Another unique gesture that we've added is a customized gesture. This allows you to go in and program a gesture that is going to be unique to how you operate the system. As an example, we're currently in a split screen mode where we have the chart plotter and the fish finder. Let's say I'm navigating using my chart to get to that fishing spot. Once I arrive, now I want to focus on catching some fish. So I simply double tap on the fish finder side of the display and I'm immediately brought to a full screen fish finder so I can focus on catching those fish. The fish finder we're looking at is a full 1 kW Furuno True Echo Chirp fish finder, and that's incorporated into both of these displays. So with the addition of a high-powered chirp transducer, you can leverage the latest in chirp fish finding technology. However, at the same time, if you have a vessel that has an existing traditional fish finding transducer, we can generally connect to that transducer and you can utilize the system as a traditional fish finder. In that mode, we can then utilize some of the other Furuno technologies such as AccuFish and bottom discrimination, all which are going to be greatly enhanced with Furuno's unique ResBoost beam sharpening technology that's just going to have you get the most out of that Furuno fish finder and that existing transducer. These combination displays can also integrate with Furuno's very unique and groundbreaking First Watch wireless radar. In order to switch to the radar display, we're also going to show you one of the other really simple edge swipe gestures. I just go down and swipe down from the top of the display. I see the radar icon and I immediately taken to a full screen radar picture. By utilizing the First Watch radar, we're connecting wirelessly, meaning there's no direct connection between the radar antenna and the display. This allows for a very simplified and flexible installation on virtually any boat without sacrificing Furuno's legendary radar performance. To further enhance your navigation system, we can also integrate the display via NMEA 2000 with our all-new NavPilot 300 Autopilot system. What that provides is full autopilot control directly from the display. So as you can see, these new displays provide real tools for navigation, including high-performance GPS chart plotting, True Echo Chirp fish finding, full autopilot control right from your display, as well as incorporating Furuno's legendary radar performance, all in one compact design. For more information on the GP1871F and the new GP1971F, please visit our Furuno website.